Hi and welcome to this video. Our topic today is an issue in the classic Outlook. So when you open an encrypted email, you will have this message which says, sorry, we are having trouble opening this item. This could be temporary, but if you see it again, you might want to restart Outlook. Can't read the item. And Microsoft is still investigating the issue, and they will update this topic when they have more information. But the workaround to solve this problem is to open the message in the new Outlook or to go to the web. So in the new Outlook or in the classic Outlook, you can just go to the top right side here and switch to the new Outlook, or you can go to your browser and open in the OVA app or Outlook for web. That's it, and see you in another video.